Guess who's back in the house? Zanti! She's back again. Regalo na naman siyang pasabog! Binili niya ako ng My Little Pony X Scout Panda like pasabog!
Sabog! Buksan na natin!
Oh my God! Buksan na natin! Ano tara? First box? I wish to get this one, the Applejack first because I love color brown. Tara, buksan na natin. Over? Oh my God, ang ganda ng packaging niya!
Oh my God!
Okay, yun first. Oh my God! Ang ganda, oh my God! Sobrang worth ng hype niya as in super.
Mimi. Okay.
Oh no! Applejack! Ang ganda niya!
Okay. The pink!
Oh my God! Look at her face and the details!
Okay.
Oh my God, ang ganda niya! I wish to get a secret. Manifest.
Manifest.
This is my color. LGBT.
Yeah.
Manifest. Secret. Look back. Look back.
Look back, look back.
Okay.
2, 1.
It's not a secret! But
Not
it's
a
okay.
secret, but it's okay, right?
Yeah. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, ito sila lahat. Sobrang cute nila. Grabe, ang cute nila. Like, super duper. Worth it yung hype nito. Like, as in. Thank you so much. I love you. Okay, binilang ko ng bag si Dante and everything nice. Tapos binilang ko rin siya ng Pop Mart. At yung binili ko sa kanya para malagay niya sa bag niya na bag or what. Yes. Kanina kasi nandito kami. Tapos tinatanong namin kung anong magandang bag para yun yung pasimple. Sana magustuhan niya or what. Thank you, ate. At nahuli niya ako. Ay, Dante! Nahuli mo ako or what?
You hired me to buy this. Why you told me you go to the P?
Yeah, this is what I pee. I pee Christinang. Yes.
I will come
For
back
you.
to Vietnam.
Okay. Yes. For you. I love you so much.